We have found some suspicious connections between Judge Nichol and Amber Heard, which might have influenced the judge's decision in the Johnny Depp Libel Trial. In today's video, we're going to tell you about these connections. But before we move forward, I can see most of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And if you're one of them, subscribe to my channel now, so you get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Actor Johnny Depp lost his libel battle with British tabloid The Sun that labeled him a wife beater after a London High Court judge ruled he had repeatedly assaulted his former partner Amber Heard and put her in fear for her life. Justice Andrew Nichol said that the defendants had proved that what they published was substantially true during a high-profile trial in London over the summer that included lurid and irreconcilable accounts from Depp and his ex-wife Amber Heard, in which accused the other of abuse. Depp's lawyer said they would appeal the decision. The verdict has disappointed many, as even though the evidence clearly stated that Amber Heard was the real abuser, the judge's decision was in her favor. We have done some research and found the information which might explain why Justice Nichol had given such a biased verdict. So let's start with Justice Andrew Nichol, the judge in the UK trial who handed down the very verdict. Now let's dig into Nichol's personal life. Judge Nichol is married to Camilla Palmer and has two sons, Jamie and Robert Palmer. Camilla Palmer is a solicitor. She's into Women's Equality Network, which is interesting. Now, coming to Robert Palmer, he works at Talk Radio. And if you just check Wikipedia page of Talk Radio, under the notable current presenters, you will find Dan Wootton's name. Now let's take a look at the owner of Talk Radio. So, Talk Radio is owned by a wireless group, which by the way was later purchased by News Corp. And Rupert Murdoch is the owner of News Corp, so of course he owns this business, and this company Wireless Group owns Talk Radio, where Dan Wootton is a notable presenter. And if you were not aware, Rupert also owns The Sun, from whom Dan Wootton wrote the article which called Johnny Depp a wife beater. Judge Nichol to Rupert Murdoch connection doesn't go straight across, but it goes down through his son and back to Dan Wootton, who is working for Rupert Murdoch at Talk Radio in the UK. This Joffrey Robertson connection has definitely influenced Judge Andrew Nichol's verdict. We have found another connection to Amber Heard herself. So Judge Nichol wrote a book with Joffrey Robertson and was employed by his firm at Doughty Street. Joffrey Robertson is Jyn Robinson's boss, and who's Jyn Robinson? Legal counsel for Amber Heard. Jyn Robinson once brought Amber Heard to a private dinner during the trial with Helena Kennedy and Kathy Lett Kennedy, who used to work at Doughty Street, and Kathy Lett is also Jeffrey's ex-wife and personal friend of Jyn. So, all these people are interlinked, and they're having dinner together. And if after all you are telling me that this verdict was not influenced by all those webs of connections, you probably haven't been listening carefully. It's really a question, though, didn't any of Johnny's legal team already have an understanding of all these connections? And if they do, they would definitely get it under appeal. Let's see what happens. What are your views on this? Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.